You have a Fitbit Charge 5 and you have an issue in regards to it tracking your sleep. Like for instance, if I go ahead and open up the Fitbit app here, and you click on today here and you scroll down, you can see your sleep right here. So if you tap on that, you can see how many hours and so you slept. Now the thing is, if you have an issue where it's not accurate, or maybe it's only tracking like half of your sleep, or maybe it's not even tracking at all, I'm going to give you guys two easy solutions that work for me, and this should work, I'm going to guess, for all of you, okay? So number one is this. In regards to the tracker, you have to make sure, you kind of have to find like the sweet spot, okay? So like for me, what I had to do is eventually move it up a little bit, and I had to loosen it where I'm able to put one finger in there. Okay, so this is one possibility. Now the other, and it could be both. Now the main one is this. Every time before you guys go to bed, 2 hours prior, about 2 hours before you guys go to bed, make sure you at least sync it. Okay, so it can be 10 minutes before you go to bed or 1 minute. Just don't let it be more than 2 hours. So 2 hours before you go to bed, at most, go to your app here, click on today, and sync it. Go ahead and scroll down like this and wait till it syncs. Okay, so it says syncing your Charge 5. Just wait till it says complete. It just said complete. Now I can go to bed, and hopefully when I wake up, it's going to track everything as it should. Okay, so for me, for the past like 2 weeks now, it's been tracking everything. Before it was like all over the place. Some days it didn't even track. And now I've been doing this at least 2 hours before bed. I'm getting, everything. It's showing everything. Even when I take like little naps, like hour naps or 53 minutes naps, 57 minutes naps. Even today, I took an hour, 7 minutes nap. It tracked that. I also slept a good 8 hours and 44 minutes. So give that a try. If that worked for you, give me a thumbs up and comment below so everybody else can see. All right? Good luck, guys.